Hello guys, this is Mary Magdalene with Who is Mary Magdalene. So today is the almost last of my donation pickups. This may be the last, I think. I think everything else is trash. I think I am completely done with everything. I am not in a good headspace at all today. Today is June 1st. It's almost time for Father's Day. It's almost time for the month of July. If you guys have been following our journey, know our story. The month of July is when my husband passed away, July 3rd. He went into the hospital on Father's Day, June 21st, which is also our son's birthday. And I'm just not in a good place today. Just not in a good place. So the pod will be arriving in 2 weeks, and it will be time for us to start packing it up, and then it'll be on its journey to our new location to be waiting on us. I am excited for that. I am excited to get on this plane Thursday and have some peace of mind. I'm excited to go into our new home, pray over my home, do what I need to do as God sees fit, to get ready for these littles. So I'm excited about that. This morning has just been a morning. Last night was a night. I guess the kids can feel my shift as well. I'm sorry that I'm just in this it's just a day. With that being said, my house looks a mess, y'all. Since I'm taking y'all on this journey, let me get y'all out this car. I always got y'all in the car. Let me actually show y'all the real deal. So this is the last of my donation pickup. If you can see, it is tub, clothes, Kennedy's bicycle if anybody doesn't pick it up by today, the big printer, rice cooker, this shop vac that my husband had that I have no use for and I ain't gonna use. Oh shoot, I locked the doors. Now going ahead and packing up 30 days worth of clothing, because we'll be with my mom until after the kids' birthdays. I did not want to get all the way to San Antonio and then gotta turn around and come back, or have people fly out for their birthdays and blah 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 blah. I didn't feel like doing no whole Zoom and Google Meets and all that other crap. So with that being said, we're gonna have birthday parties here like we do every year. And we'll just keep that in the budget some kind of way. But being that I went on ahead and did that, so this is the last of everything, literally. If y'all can see, my house looks a mess. So the paintings will be coming off the walls. It will be going with me. If the TV does not go, selling wise, it is going with me as well. Furniture, if it does not sell, it is not going with me. It is going on the trash pile. So there you go. Or it will be donated. I probably won't do trash. I'll just donate it if it doesn't sell. That is Camden's new bedroom set, furniture, that kind of thing there. Everything is from upstairs. Dining room table is in here. It's going to get a new facelift, because you know that's also one of my many talents. So I am going to do a facelift with my table and also with my dining room chairs. some things I am taking with me, salvaging. Some things I am just letting go because it's sentimental value. And I don't want to be sad all the time, y'all. I really don't. So it's not in my character, so I don't want to do that. You guys have already seen the picture of everything that's left in the kitchen. Right now, there's more stuff in the kitchen. There's stuff in the kitchen because of everything that came out of the storage. So finally, the storage is cleaned out. There's not much that is left in the storage, but I think maybe 2 or 3 things. The patio is finally somewhat empty. Y'all excuse it. This is just toys that's left that's actually going to the trash pile. I do have a puzzle if somebody would like it for their little one. Still has all the puzzle pieces and everything. You're more than welcome to have it free. So this was our storage that was filled to the top. It is no longer. If you can see, there's only a few things that is left. That is it. So with that being said, thank you, Jesus, for your blessings. So that's done. Everything else is either going in the pot or it is going on the trash pile. And depending on the value of what I see, of the things that are left, that is where I will donate. I try my best not to donate junk or just donate things that we just don't want and just think other people want our stuff. No. I try to donate things that are of good value. So with that being said, I'm just treading lightly on what I'm just donating to people because I don't want people just be like, oh, she just getting rid of stuff, so she's just giving it to us. No, a lot of stuff really belonged to my husband. A lot of stuff we did accumulate together, and I am going to a smaller space, and I want to make sure that I'm not just cluttering my house. I'm actually taking things with me that I need to be taking. So with that being said, this is our journey for today. This is the moving journey for today. So we are getting to the last of everything. So for all that will be coming to assist us on June 10th, I will see you guys when you get here. We will not have much to do. My prayer is that I have everything condensed and everything downstairs to where when my family gets here to assist, it will literally be a move-in situation. Guys, if you get here and I am a total mess and I am crying and all over the place, just do your usual. Don't mind me. Just rub my back and just keep it moving. I know for some, that's probably why a lot of you have not been over here, and I get it. I've had people say they don't know what to say, and I get it. I don't know what to say either, and I'm going to keep saying that. I totally understand, and I totally get it. But that's what I do sometimes. Sometimes I could be sitting right here in the middle of everything, and I just may start screaming. Just don't pay me no mind, okay? Just don't pay me no mind. I haven't screamed in a long time, so I should be okay with that. But just don't pay me no mind. Just go around me. I have to say, Corniche, oh, Nisi, she's her and Denise, they are definitely the one for that. They just literally just give me grace. They just let me be, and they let me have my moment, and they just go right around me. And my life therapist, Jesus, Miss Crystal, thank you for your blessings. She just go right around me. They don't pay me no mind. They just let me have my moment. Vanessa, Tiffany, they just let me have my moments. They really do. They just, let me go with ease and grace, and, let me just cry and scream and holler. And they just go right around me, and they just continue packing as if I'm not even here and I don't even exist. And I thank them. This has not been an easy road. It's not been an easy road. It's not been an easy road. But I'm thankful. Y'all just continue to keep me lifted. It's been 11 months, and it feels like yesterday. So, with that being said, I love y'all. This is Mary Magdalene with Who is Mary Magdalene. Continue to follow us on this journey. Oh. And y'all pray for me on this weight loss journey, Jesus. I did so good, y'all. I lost 35 pounds and gained 40 pounds back. Oh, so I got some work to do. And prayerfully, ain't no prayerfully, it's gonna get better because I serve an amazing God. And I think this is my truck outside. So, I love y'all. Have a great day. Oh, like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to get the hang of this one day. Like, share, and subscribe. Continue to follow us on this journey, especially on Thursday. I'm so excited to take y'all to San Antonio with me and to take y'all into Houston into Austin because that's where I'm flying into, and then take y'all on this journey of this new house. So I love y'all. See you soon. Blessings.